Filipino street just in front of the Mandaue City Central Elementary School. And with me is Ma'am Daphne.
Yes, Daphne Hika.
Ma'am Daphne Hika of Kusina ni Kapitan. And we're very excited to show you what they're offering here in their store. Barato kayo ng baligya, and we'll show everything to you. And with me is May Ani, of course, of My Food Merkado. So,
Hello!
May, go May!
Hello there, mga lovies, and of course, mga kamerkads. This is again another collaboration vlog with our pretty friend here, 2020 Best Vlogger of Cebu, Miss Margrette Sinahon Chavez.
Right.
And of course, Ma'am Daphne Hika of Kusina ni Kapitan. So, as Margaret said, namin diri karon para tilawan ng ilang food. And also to showcase to you kung unsa inyong mga pwedeng mo order og naa mo diri. And of course, siguro let's learn more about nganong kusina ni Kapitan.
And why is their logo this one?
Di ba? Yung mga naglaway na dito sa food na nasa katubangan, no? Pumot kaayo guys. Maka-stimulate yun siya sa imuhang kuan, imuhang gana.
So I love how the rice is yellow.
And Java rice.
So it's a Java rice. So they don't serve the ordinary white rice, but is it available?
Yes, we also have plain rice.
Okay. So when they order the 69 peso meal, is that the regular rice?
Yes.
No.
Java rice, then egg, and at the same time with the silog meals.
Okay. So Java rice good on regular.
Depende kung na mo request for plain rice. So we can also have plain rice.
Okay, so what I have here, this one is the bangus meal. So naano siya Java rice.
It's one of the best sellers.
Yeah, nasa bangus and nasa egg. And this one is only worth 119 pesos for the whole meal. Okay?
Yes.
Ano pa ni siya drinks, ma'am?
Wala.
Okay, so 119 pesos for the whole plate na nakay bangus, na nakay egg, and Java rice.
Right. And they also have the Hungarian meal, Hungarian sausage with egg and a bit of mushrooms sprinkled all over the hot dog, sausage, and then with Java rice.
Yes, that's also 119 pesos. Naamot din sa katubangan ng ilang sisi. Yeah, this is only 109 pesos. Ayan, so this is for
Ganaway na kung
sisi.
gatanaw, ganahan kay Kumbay.
Yes. And that's
They
like
also
ikaw,
have-
anak.
They also have lumi, which is 80 pesos. So
Wow.
it's new in their menu. It's new. Just like the burger steak meal,
Yes.
which is also
For only
new.
99.
99 lang ni?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Oh,
99.
wow, this is only 99 pesos ang ilang burger steak meal with egg, with Java rice sa siya. Ayan, oh.
So,
Mabusog na yugaan
and
niya, guys.
mushroom.
And we also have our
And
batchoy
bachoy.
for only 60 pesos here.
Ala, 60 pesos.
Ah.
Guys, dagko ilang bowl. Promise. Ang ilang bowl, dagko. Dili siya katong gagmay nila. They have big bowls, and this is only 60 pesos and 80 pesos.
And not to mention the meat cuts are very huge.
Nasa sila ice cream.
Very
Kung nilang ice
visible.
cream, ha?
Oh, dili
That's lemon iced tea.
Kanang per picture niyo.
Yes, per picture
How
for
much
only
was it?
60 pesos.
Oh, 60 lang ang picture, guys. Good for sharing. Actually, their serving is all for sharing. So, maon na ta.
Sige, mga na ta. And while mga
So,
ta,
while
mag-chika-chika ta.
Chika with
Sige,
Ma'am,
Enjoy eating.
Right, so, by the way, shout out to our behind the cam. Sean is also here with us, but won't be joining us in the video, but he's very supportive in our vlog. So,
Yes.
maon ta yun na yan.
Mga ta, let's try this one.
I love how their serving is really abundant.
Yes, ang bulo kayo. Sige, ma'am, anong kusina ng Kapitan Mata? Okay, di ko ta.
Sige. Actually, my son, si Ralph, is a pilot. So it was really his idea of opening kusina. So kanan lang, ako lang dahil dito ko lang ako sina ni Kapitan. May siya mag-push na ako to open this.
Siya dito yung kapitan.
So siya ang Kapitan. Ang logo na to kay ang seed with the kanang captain's cap.
Ano na ba?
Most of the kuan, atong meals na to. So, kailangan na Then, nalaba ko atong baboy. Para lang astig tanaw.
So nga, nakikita naka-huna-huna sa concept sa inyong store.
There's kami lang sa akong kanang route. Oo, niya. Lagi.
Tapos, si Rob, yung kaya niya, kung sama niya,
Sa pandemic man, kung minaw-minaw ka ba, muna siya nag-open siya sa kaning ka gusto niya sa 16 barbers and this one. And nasa siya online.
So it opened recently.
June 12, 2021. Just this year.
Just this year.
Well, it was last year during the pandemic na expose din siya na ako. Last year, ako, but then nag-work pa ako na time. Nag-work ako na time. So, dito ko nga next year na lang siguro, maybe this year. So, yeah. During ako na time, naroon ka sa balay. Every time, every day, magluto din line up and siya yun, ganahan din siya nga. Every time pa akong siya, ganahan din siya sa akong mga tingkada ba. So, why not kung open silugan kay kami sa una, hindi ka hapon or ka nagabi na. Kami mga tutag upaw, maabot din sa upaw, kaya na silugan. So why not bring the silugan here to the heart of the city, sa sentro, dili na ka mga to. So muna, that was the start ng kusina ni Kapitan.
Maayo ginamit mga soup ba?
Then, ako ang mga kaning ganun na to kay homemade yun eh. Like the tapa, the kusino, sisig. Amo ko din na timplatan na. So, una man na freshly
So,
cooked.
market
Wala ni. Mukalit kami sa meat. But then, ako ka ang timpla din.
Okay.
Oh. Then, even the batchoy and the lumi, you know, nang lahi-lahi mo din like lapas batchoy.
From
And
scratch,
then, siya from all. So, kuhan din original na timplada. So, moto siya nga. Sige, practice last year, niya, para lang sa family consumption. Then, ganahan na din siya. Okay na lang din ta. Okay na, sisig.
Sisig.
Actually, ang sisig mo na siya one of the cocktail traces. Ang sisig. Mo na siya kasagaran, ari with the tapa. Based on the review.
But sisig, is it served with rice? Dili, no?
Natay with rice ng silog. Sisig silog.
Namin sisig
Small portion lang
platter.
siya. Small portion and you can only have that.
So the sisig platter is the 109.
109. And the
And
sisig
then
meal,
sisig meal is
69.
69.
With egg and java rice.
So gatinihik mo guys, maka-afford na gino sa ilang baligya. And it's a good thing that you're in Protocol School. So even if pandemic siya, once ma-open na ba, daghan
Oh, okay. Sa karon, we have teachers. Mga customers ng teachers, dili from the city hall, mga customers naman. Dahil akong target yun sa mga schools, kaya naman tayo mga 4 schools around. So if ever, normal na. Hopefully, namin kasi sa kuwan lagi.
So you also, di ba, serve deliveries.
Yes, through Maxim.
So guys, na may Facebook page, ma'am, they can,
Kay
choose. They can order from.
yes,
Guys, so nasa lang Facebook page na Kusina ni Kapitan where you can order from there and then they will deliver to you through Maxim or Lalamin.
Bisa na masaag, yan sa Google Maps. And sa'yo naman pagkitaon na, Mandaue City,
Central School.
Central.
It's right across.
Kami nakita sa yung mga.
Nakita
Yung
mo ba?
mga salamat eh. Kami na diyan pagkatimplan. Sana kay sa una mo pa, hindi ka mo palit. So, why not try? Nakita na lang. Oo.
Kaya palito ninyo yung Merkado na.
Okay ra itong lumi.
Popular yung kasulti, lamit na lang ang ilang na-serve. Most especially, bestsellers ni kasagaran nilang hatag, sa lumi, batchoy, kay Hungarian sausage.
Kami siya with butter ni sa ano.
Yeah,
Instead nga gravy na siya, so mo na siya.
May ako nila sa And it's unique, no? Not all, of course, not all carinderias will serve you this any time of the day. But they're open, what time again?
We are open from Tuesday to Sunday, but during weekdays, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. until 9. Then on weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we open 1 p.m. until 9.
1 to 9 p.m.
So on Monday, we are
Meal
closed.
times good sila open. So in between, of course, we'll be resting, but don't worry. Again, they're open lunchtime and dinner on weekdays
Weekdays.
and weekends.
Weekends, 1 to 9 p.m.
So,
Except on Mondays.
so resting in here.
Yes, day off.
So, ma'am, please to invite our viewers to come and visit or perhaps order through their page via Maxim para makatila po sila sa inyong lami but affordable na mga meals. Can you invite them?
Welcome to Kusina ni Kapitan. I'd like to invite all of you to please come and visit Kusina ni Kapitan, located at Catalino Street, Central Mandaue City. We also offer delivery through Maxim, that's COB. And you can call us or contact us through Facebook so that we can prepare your foods, then you can pick them up. Thank you.
So thank you so much for your support, for watching this video. I hope you will also support their shop or their cafe. Kusina ni Kapitan, again, it's located just in front of the Mandaue City Central Elementary School.
Yes.
Makita na actually ang simbahan ni St. Joseph sa mga
Yes.
So, may
May City Hall.
anything you'd like to tell to our viewers?
Yes, guys. So, usa ni sa mga perfect ninyong atuan if you are looking for delicious food yet affordable, especially karon nga pandemic, medyo budget sa atong mga bulsa, sa atong mga kaon sa gawas, no? This is a good place for you to go, Kusina ni Kapitan. It's located right across City Central School again, no? And ako pinakaganahan kay retrawan ako kinakailang bangos, no? That the seasoning is very nice, very good. So it's well seasoned. Every part of it naka-season din bitaw, even ang pati ang ulo. I like it. And of course, I also like the bok choy. I'm a Nilongga, so I can tell a good bok choy. So this one is good, and especially for only 60 pesos. So sabot siya kalamit, ito barato siya. And of course, the lomi also, no? Lamig sa kaayo yung lomi. Daghan na yung 80 pesos. For the 80 pesos, siguro makakaon na ni Tulo. Tulo na ka po ka makakaon sa lomi niya. Mabusog na ka. Parisa na ni mo ni bread, siguro sliced bread, no? It's already a perfect meal for you. And everything else is just delicious. So, once again, we would like to invite you to try their food here at Kusina ni Kapitan, diri sa Mandaue.
Okay, so guys, without further ado, book your orders now through their page. Again, Kusina ni Kapitan, Captain Ralph. We hope you were here, but unfortunately, nada pa sa Dumaguete. We hope to see you next time. So guys, don't forget to like and follow this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, My Food Merkado, Extra Ride, Kusina ni Kapitan, and of course, Margrette Vlogs. We hope to see you next time. Don't worry, we have another video which we'll be making for Slick Street Barbers, which is going to be a sister company of this Kusina ni Kapitan Resto. So see you guys!
Thank you so much! Bye!
Welcome to Kusina ni Kapitan. Kaon ni nato, busog din nato. Alin na!
1, 2, 3, funky.